in the application, every single one of the items described in reading, um, all the features that are, all the calculations that should be related to station. We do have the member items, first name, last name, email, password, and so on. And we do have the features that are described up to release it to. And the code is also in GitHub and deployed. Okay. I don't have anything related to release 3, apart from the code piece. Let's have a look at the application. I use first the Homer Simpson. Sorry. So here you go, Homer Simpson's stations. We have the two already sample stations, Tremor and Do More, latitude and longitude, and here you have each one of the readings. If you choose another code, for example, code number 500, and you add the reading, the icon, the weather icon is going to change according to the rules that we described in the assignment. And we do have the latest readings here on top. In this case, is 0 because I just had the latest reading as 0. And we also have a max and minimum. So let me just add an extra one here, temperature 28, speed 4, 2, I don't know, 1,300, and add. And you can see now that the max is 32, minimum 28, wind speed maximum 5, minimum 4, wind direction is here, north, and pressure maximum and mean. So it is working. And in this step, we also saw that delete and adding features are working. Back to the dashboard, you can delete the station and you can create a new one. So I don't know the latitude and longitude, I'm literally adding any. And now I have the new station. And here I'm going to add one new reading, maybe 2, just to make sure. Pressure 1, 5. And now it was another one, 300, temperature 35, speed 2, wind 3, pressure. I don't think this pressure even exists anyway. There you go. And here we can see the mean, the max working, 35, the Fahrenheit, and again, minimum max. So it is working. And again, the weather icon changing just for the last time. Weather icon change. Now let's do the walkthrough in the code. Again, a lot of things here are a combination from Shopify, to-do list, and the playlist. So it's literally a combination of both subjects. I think station analytics is where I worked the most, that it has all the calculations. So for example, here is to display the icon. Again, it's just a if according with each one of the conditions. And I use the icons that are, I forgot the name, but they are kind of standard already, which later on are displayed on the station as wind icon, or no, wind icon, no, sorry guys, wind icon, no, yeah, so here we go. Because I'm changing just the weather icon, so it's the latest icon that I have in my condition here in station analytics that is dictating the icon to changing the weather. All the other icons here, they are standard and they are fixed for the wind and the other like pressure and so on. Just the weather one that I did change. And what else? Let's go through the other calculations here that I think is relevant. The mean and max, they are very similar to what we had in Shock 5. Um, quite a few mean and max because it's for temperature, wind, and for pressure. What else we have here? All the latest temperatures that I'm using the reading dot size at -1. That is where you would fit in the array. The latest one is -1. Um, and what else we have here? Yeah, we have also the wind compass, which is another if, just returning the names according to the directions. Hope this is right. Um, and the other ones are just getting the latest Fahrenheit, wind speed, Celsius, and so on. We have the names here also to get the latest weather. So, for example, if it's 100, it's returning clear, and so on. So those are the calculations. We have what else I think is worth it to show delete reading and add reading. Um, And here we are calling literally each one of the calculations that we had in station analytics, in station control, and rendering to station HTML. What else? Dashboard, we have also delete station and add station methods. The account was very standard with what we already had in the labs for web development. Same as member. I think member is also quite standard. What else? Well, I have a few tags here for the edge reading. Here just showing what we are going to input. For example, here for the edge reading, I let the max being only 800 because it's the latest one that we had, and I'm stepping in hundreds, in 100, so it doesn't allow people to go any codes that is different. But the other ones, I'm just not using anything. That was the only condition that I was using in the edge reading. At station, what we have here, just the latitudes and longitudes in the name, and the button at station, list reading, just again reading taking from the readings the code, temperature, wind speed, direction, pressure, and also we have the delete button. Menu is quite standard. Welcome menu was quite standard too. Login. In the login, I just changed a bit how how it was looking at the first page, and just said it's like a small image, like to the right, not as small actually, like just the umbrella on the right.